So, since the snoring is so bad, I thought I'd come out here and take the opportunity to look at my third firing because the temperature is at 198 under 200, which is the safe zone. So, I'm dying to see what has transpired since it's been here all day. So take a look with me. Here we go. Oh, wow. Again, it looks pretty good. So these are the pieces. A lot of the vanity, what I call vanity lettering. One piece is a flower. I don't do a lot of those, but I wanted to try one, and that looks pretty good. And I've done a number of these, and I really like them. And here, maybe that's better. And they turn out really well, and I slump it into a shallow dish, and it looks great. So I'll be doing that again. So when it cools off a little bit more, I'll take it out, clean them up, and give you a better look at it. Thanks for sticking with me. I'll be loading this up soon. I've got more, believe it or not. Thanks.